Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super important to talk about. Safety gear for those high-risk, height-filled jobs. If you're working on a job where heights are involved, you know how crucial your harness is. That's why today we're diving into the FT-1910 full-body harness from FallTech, a game changer in keeping you safe, comfortable, and mobile no matter the task. Now, you might be wondering, why the FT-1910? Well, FallTech didn't just want to create another harness. They wanted to craft something that's not only safe, but also built for the daily grind of working at heights. Whether you're climbing, bending, or reaching, this harness is designed to keep up with you every step, or shall we say climb, of the way. Let's talk features. First up, this harness is built to last. We're talking 25% thicker webbing, which gives you added strength and durability, even in the harshest environments. But it doesn't stop there. FallTech's got you covered with water repellent and antimicrobial finishes, so moisture, grime, and bacteria won't stand a chance. Say goodbye to being drenched in sweat or dealing with bacteria buildup. Trust us, you'll stay dry and fresh no matter how tough the conditions get. But here's the best part. The FT-1910 is all about comfort. With comfort legs and comfort gel padding, this harness helps distribute weight evenly and reduces pressure points. So whether you're climbing ladders, crouching down, or reaching over your head, you can move with ease. Long shifts? No problem. You'll feel like you're wearing your favorite old pair of jeans. But you know, safer. Of course, safety is the name of the game here. This harness is engineered for fall arrest, making it the perfect tool for those high-risk environments where every second counts. It meets OSHA and ANSI safety standards, so you can trust that it's up to the task. Whether you're in construction, maintenance, or just about any other industry where fall protection is a must, the FT-1910 also features dual lanyard keepers and a design that minimizes tripping hazards, giving you more freedom to move and less risk of getting tangled up in your gear. Because, let's face it, the last thing you need is a lanyard trying to trip you up mid-task. Versatility is another big win for the FT-1910. It adapts seamlessly to various work settings, so no matter what your job throws at you, this harness will be ready. Its durability is second to none, making sure you stay safe in tough conditions for the long haul. So, why should you pick the FT-1910? Well, it's all about durability, comfort, and practicality. The thicker webbing, antimicrobial finishes, and water repellent design means you'll get a harness that's built to last. Comfort-wise, the comfort legs and comfort gel padding help to reduce fatigue so you can work longer without discomfort. Plus, the lanyard keepers give you freedom of movement, reducing the risk of tripping hazards. Ready to level up your safety game? Head on over to Ohio Power Tool today and grab the FT-1910 full body harness. Trust us, once you try it, you won't want to work without it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us and give us a call. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and let the FT-1910 do the heavy lifting. Literally. It's so fun, dude. I don't know why I get a kick out of this.